Good morning, children. How are you? In today's class, we shall learn about present perfect continuous tense. I hope you must have learned and understood my last video. In my last video, you learned about the use of present perfect tense. But in this video, you will learn about the use of present perfect continuous tense. See here, in the note, it is written here, we use present perfect continuous tense to describe an action which started in the past time but it carries on at the time of speaking. Here we are having a structure. The structure is subject plus has / have plus been plus before plus object plus since or for plus time. Again, I would like to describe the definition of present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense in that condition when some action started in the past time and it continued for a long time at the time of speaking. So again, structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus before plus object plus since plus for since or for plus time. One thing you have to keep in your mind, the uses where we have to use. In our past perfect segment, you have learned the use of has and have, but in this segment, you are going to learn the use of since and for. Here, I have made a diagram for you in which you can clearly see the differences between since and for. Since, first of all, we shall learn about since. Here, since, it is called point of time. It is a certain time. Certain time is to say when the time is certain, we use since. For example, Monday is a certain time, January is a certain time, 2 o'clock is a certain time, 2012 is a certain time. Apart from it, we have morning, evening, midnight, childhood, today, tonight, yesterday. These are the certain time. And apart from it, we have one more thing, last plus time. For example, last day, last week, last month, last year, etc. So when the time comes in this category, we have to use since. Now I am giving a focus on the use of for. For is actually a period of time. It tells about up to what period some work took place or taking place. It is uncertain time. For example, 2 days, 3 months, 4 hours, 5 years. Basically, both since and for are preposition of time. Both since and for are preposition of time. They will show that since is a certain time, it is a point of time, and for is a period of time. Now I am coming to the point about the uses of it. In the first sentence, you can watch, it has been raining since Monday. Monday is a certain time. My friend has been waiting for me for 3 years. In third sentence, Sunita has been studying since childhood. Fourth, Radha has been running for 4 hours. Sentence number 5, we have been studying since March. Children, in these circles, you are able to find out it is a subject, that's why has been used. My friend, it's a singular subject, that's why has is used. Sunita, singular subject, has been used. Radha, singular subject, has been used. We, plural subject, that's why have has been used. Here, I have tried to make you understand with the help of arrows. Now, in the same way, when we talk about Monday, it is a certain time, that's why since is there. 3 years, uncertain time, that's why for is here. Childhood is a certain time, that's why since is here. 4 hours is a uncertain time, that's why for is here. March is certain time, that's why since is here. So I hope this video must be very fruitful to you. We shall talk about the simple past tense in our next video. But before going to our next video, again I would like to clarify you the correct use of since and for. Children, just keep in your mind, before using since and for, you have to think that when a particular action took place, if you are having a correct point of time when that action took place, we will use since. But when and for another, in another case, in the case of for, ask in your mind that when any action started, and if you are not having a correct answer that when a particular action took place, it is a period of time, and we will use for that condition. For example, ask if we take the example of the first sentence, it has been running since Monday. So the action is running. Now ask a question from when the running started. Now you have got accurate time, point of time when the running started, and it is Monday. That's why it's in here. Now in second sentence, my friend has been waiting for me for 3 years. Now ask in your mind, from when your friend started waiting for you. Are you having accurate from which point of time your friend started waiting for you? No. It is only saying 3 years. It is a period of time. That's why I have used for. I hope this video and the use of since and for must be clarifying to you. Thank you, children, for watching it. We shall meet in our next session. Thank you. Bye.